Robert Buchanan, and I'm the founder of ADHERE Technology. COVID has revealed an Achilles heel and has brought travel to its knees, begging for the question of can we do better? The answer is yes, and I'm going to tell you why, but it might surprise you. Since the age of 10, I've traveled as an insulin-dependent diabetic. You can imagine the items I had to carry with me to survive, let alone thrive. What's interesting is that my items were always lost, mishandled, and definitely exposed every time I traveled. Some serious pain points for 25 years. What I learned from those experiences is that we all share these same exact pain points, nothing exclusive to a diabetic. With an autoimmune condition, every day was a moment of travel for me, critical to my survival, and each experience was a test run. Incredible insight was compiled over 2.5 decades that I want to put to the test. Because of this, I set out on a mission to eliminate the problems we face with luggage. So that's why we're here, to be that change, the catalyst that's needed, and the experience to back it. Now, my company's focused on the deployment of a sustainable shared use smart luggage network for passengers. With an average of 2.6 million passengers a day, we face some serious problems when it comes to our luggage. Exposure to a variety of germs, lost luggage, delayed data and weight constraints, along with safety concerns in a public space. With those risks in mind, we chose a different approach to creating luggage, pushing for innovative solutions to some old problems. We worked at PDX Airport for 5 months just to better understand how luggage moves. I worked a 3 a.m. shift and fielded both luggage and cargo to ensure that we designed a product that solves problems as it's transferred from one set of hands to the next. With that experience, we narrowed it down to 4 basic questions. What's inside? Where's it going? How much does it weigh? And is it clean? ADHERE Technology is eliminating these risks with one item we all use: luggage. With hardware and software on the inside, we're creating the opportunity to track luggage, know the weight in real time, and create a clean, safe space. In addition, our luggage is positioned to be 10 times stronger and half the weight of traditional luggage. This allows us to travel clean, safe, and sustainable. Deploying smart luggage not only mitigates the risk to germ exposure, but it also allows for a higher security and safety with a low-profile appearance with minimal infrastructural changes. Our 5-year goal is to position smart luggage to be capable of self-check-in of personal items from the comfort of home, expediting TSA pre-check to its next evolutionary state. So how will this work? Our smart luggage will relay data of what's coming on board, creating a virtual manifest. The precise weight calculated well before a passenger arrives to an airport while ensuring a secure, safe space of the items, improving that check-in experience. With these integrations, we fall right in line with the current touchless initiatives. Passenger data will be imprinted to the luggage with a virtual tag displayed. In our research, we found it's the personal items that create the most risk and cause the most problems. Isolating them in a personal space designed for transference and safety is a win for all key stakeholders within travel. With sustainable shared use, we can produce a significantly better experience, creating 100 times more impact than traditional luggage with unparalleled benefits. Okay, let's talk traction. We have a working prototype. Our target is to slim it down by 70%, produce 100 pilot test units, and deploy focusing on PDX and LAX airports. We're working directly with Autodesk Inc. and are in direct conversations with JetBlue Ventures, Travelocity, AirAsia, just to name a few. Our team is made up of a collection of 3 well-traveled professionals with exceptional experience from Hyatt Resorts, PDX Airport, NASA, Michelin, Disney, and Intel. Combined, we've traveled to 24 different countries. In summary, we're not just here to change luggage. We're here to redefine it. With passenger drones right around the corner and the electrification of the airplanes, we look to introduce an additional blanket of health, safety, and security to travel as we make that next technological leap. If interested in working with us, reach out to us through our website, FTE profile, LinkedIn, you name it, we've got it. Finally, let's not forget, travel is a team effort. A lot of moving parts to make this happen, and we all play a role. We are here to take luggage to its next stage and work directly with airlines, airports, TSA, FAA long before we get to the launch pad for market release. We are a registered entity with the U.S. government, NCAGE, DHS, DOD, DLA, and SAMS, and we're also registered to do business with international governments, NATO commercial and government entities. Our product is designed to be a team player. Together, let's take travel to that next era. Let's get travel back on track.